Alright, so today we're going to work on the rubber mat in the trunk. As you can see, it's a brand new mat, and how it doesn't fit, I actually have the luggage rail in this one, and over here the net's installed. The 2017, 2018, this was an option. The 2019, this comes already factory installed, and then I have the added mats. I did get the rubber floor mat, and with the rubber floor mat comes, see these different lines, and these are designed to be cut out. So there's a cutouts here for if you have the regular tracks. There's one down here. There's one at the top. If you have the luggage rail installed, you can actually cut this whole entire line out, and then basically you'd see this whole luggage rail, but I'd like to probably have it covered, so I'm just going to cut out these pockets. I'm going to cut out this line here, so this lays flat against the tray here, and we're going to cut them off on the other side too. So to get started with that, I'll just put this down here, and then what I'm going to use is I got a little wooden board here, and I'm just going to kind of move this over a little bit, lay this on the ground, on the mat here, and then I have a actually scalpels, got some scalpels from Easy's for different things, and then I'm going to take and just cut this all the way down on the pre-cut line here. Cuts like butter. So I cut that one piece off right here, and now you can see how that's going to start to lay flat. So the next part is going to be this little divot right here. See that little divot? It's already pre-done. So I'm going to line that same thing up, move this over, and get in here, and cut it. Be real careful. Yeah, I guess the dealership could have done this, have them do it, but who knows how it would have came out. So I think the dealer just leave them in here because I'm not sure if they're lazy or just not sure if the customers want to do. Yeah. So now, pops right out. Take a little piece of wood out. As you can see, now that lays flat over there, nice and flat here against here, and I'll go ahead and I'm going to do that to all the others right here and come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, and here's the next one cut. That's going to go over this one, so I'm going to go ahead and pull the board out of the way. Fits nice and perfect, as you can see. Nice tight fit on there. So I like that. And now I'm going to do the two in the back. There's one back here and one back there, and we'll see how flat this fits. Now I can certainly have cut this off because there is lines like right here and here, but I thought I'd just give that little extra nice look to it right here. So I'm going to go do the other side. Alright, drop the seat down there. And we'll get that one. Alright, the little lines already here for me. So I'm just tracing the lines. And then this last one right here is left-handed. Board out. It's nice and flat. That one's all done. Alright, so now we got sides down there and over here. And the parts I've left over, they got a couple of square pieces from the back, and then the two D-shaped ones from the front, and then the side piece. So that's it. That's today's little tip on how to do something. So if you have any other questions or want to see me do some other tutorials, feel free to leave me some comments and post up and like the video. Thanks and have a great night.